they are ready to go again because we're going to have weather this weekend. We'll have a fuller briefing tomorrow on the weather, but it looks like it's going to be snow, not ice this time. That's a good thing, but it's still going to have real impacts on our lives. So if you can stay home Friday night and bundle up, we recommend you doing it. These guys need to be on the roads plowing, preparing before the storm with brine, then applying salt and sand to deal with it. And if you can stay off the roads, you're going to make their jobs a whole lot easier, a whole lot safer, and you will be safe as well. So we really encourage folks to stay home starting Friday night.
What did you hear from the crews that you spoke to today that surprised you most?
Not that it surprised me because I know how dedicated state employees are, but these guys are dedicated. They are working their tails off. 90 hours last week, 100 hours last week, and they're ready to saddle up and do it again because they know that the state needs our road system, and they're the ones who are going to keep those roads safe and keep people. We don't believe we had any traffic fatalities last week because of the storm. In a state of 11 million people, that is remarkable, and it's a testament to their hard work to clear the roads. It's a testament to the Highway Patrol making sure that the roads were clear of abandoned vehicles and being on the roads. Testament to the National Guard. I saw a great video of them getting trucks out of the median. These folks care deeply about their work and making sure that people are safe. And then finally, it's a testament to people staying home.